Hello there. Welcome to First Step Country. On our journey today, we are traveling to the Dark Tower. We are traveling to Cairo Tower. Pardon me. But challenges await. To get there, we must survive Egypt's microbus system. Very few tourists dare venture here. Will we survive? Let's find out. I made it on the first bus. Truthfully, I had some help. A local woman carrying a baby was very kind, showed me where to stand, even waved down the bus for me. People are very kind here. Now that I'm on the bus, we play the game, Where Do I Get Off? Wes is indeed in a bit of a pickle here. What will he do? Meet Muhammad. Muhammad noticed the camera and started a friendly conversation. Also, he speaks great English. Alhamdulillah. I mention I have no idea what I'm doing. Muhammad nobly decided to help in our legendary grand adventure. We ended up at this giant bus station. It's a bit intimidating here because there are a million buses, and I think I'm the only tourist here. But Muhammad quickly navigated to the correct bus, but there must have been 50 people waiting for this one bus. Keep in mind, these buses hold 14 passengers, but this is my favorite part of the legendary grand adventure. Muhammad stepped forward, spoke loudly to this giant lineup of people, and said something to the extent of, "White boy is lost, allow him to the front." Honestly, I don't know what he said in Arabic, but that's what I enjoy imagining. And like magic, I was at the front of the line. Now, Muhammad had to go, but before he left, he just made sure I was in good hands. While waiting for the bus, I tried my best to practice Arabic.
ايوه انت عندك كام سنة؟ أنا عندك 33 سنة.
أنا عندي 30 سنة.
30 سنة. Good. Okay.
طيب.
I learned this man's name was also Muhammad. Muhammad was very kind and went out of his way to make me feel welcome. He even paid for my bus fare. Alhamdulillah. Me and Muhammad started talking video games. I learned he likes FIFA. Also, I learned he works as a chef. Muhammad's stop was before mine, but before he left, he gifted me a motorcycle keychain. I made it to my stop, but the quest continues. Cairo Tower, still a good 30-minute walk from here. This is First Step Country. See you in the... No, wait. You forgot to subscribe.